When you look up at the night sky, you are experiencing a hallucination. You feel as though you are seeing the universe as it is. You see the moon, the planets, the glittering stars. But you are wrong. You are looking at a graveyard. Light is not instantaneous. It has a speed limit. It takes 8 minutes for light to travel from the sun to your eyes. It takes 4 years from the nearest star. It takes 2.5 million years from the Andromeda Galaxy. Many of the massive stars you see tonight may have already burned out and died centuries ago, but their ghost is still traveling across the void to reach you. You are not admiring the sky. You are admiring an echo. We often think of telescopes as magnifying glasses, instruments that make small things look big. But to an astrophysicist, a telescope is a quantum machine. The deeper we look into space, the further we look back in time. When the James Webb Telescope captures a galaxy 13 billion light years away, it is taking a photograph of the universe as it was a mere infant. We can see the history of the cosmos laid out before us, but there is a cruel trade-off. We can never see the present. We can know what happened then. We can never know what is happening now. You might think this only matters for the stars, but the delay is everywhere. Look at the person sitting next to you. You think you are seeing them in real time. You are not. Light takes a fraction of a nanosecond to bounce off their face and hit your retina. Then your brain takes another 80 milliseconds to process the data. You are never actually living in the now. You are always living slightly in the past. We are each trapped in our own temporal bubble, forever separated from the rest of reality by the lag of light. It is the ultimate loneliness. The universe forces us to wait for everything. Why does this limit exist? Why can't we go faster? It is a common misconception that $C is the speed of light. Light is just the only thing lightweight enough to reach it. Its true name is the par speed of causality. The universe is a chain of events, cause and effect. If you could travel faster than light, you could outrun the signal of your own existence. You could arrive before you left. You could see the effect before the cause. The limit exists to keep the narrative of reality in order. Without it, the universe would be a nonsensical chaos of paradoxes. But let us try to break the law. You build a spaceship. You have infinite fuel. You push the throttle. Einstein taught us that energy and mass are interchangeable. E equals mc squared. As you pump energy into the ship to make it go faster, that energy turns into mass. The faster you go, the heavier you get. To reach 99% of the speed of light, you become incredibly massive. To reach 100%, your mass would become infinite. And to move an infinite mass, you need infinite energy. There is not enough energy in all the stars of the cosmos to push a single atom to the speed of light. So only the photon, which has zero mass, can touch the bar. But have you ever wondered what the universe looks like to the light itself? This is where relativity breaks your mind. As you move through space, you move slower through time. At the speed of light, time stops. To a photon, there is no journey. It leaves a star in Andromeda and hits your eye on Earth in the exact same instant. It does not experience the 2.5 million years of travel. From the light's perspective, birth and death happen simultaneously. For us made of matter, we pay a different price. Time dilation. Imagine you travel to a nearby star at 99.9% light speed. To you, the trip might take a few weeks. But when you return to Earth, everyone you knew is dead. Centuries have passed. Speed is a currency. You only have a fixed amount of movement to spend. You can spend it moving through space or moving through time. You cannot do both. The faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. You are trading your future for distance. This is why faster than light travel is not just an engineering problem. It is a logical nightmare. If you go faster than light, relativity says you are traveling backwards in time. If you can do that, You can kill your own grandfather before you were born. But if you do that, you never existed to kill him. The universe protects itself from these paradoxes with the iron bars of $6. You are allowed to see the universe. You are not allowed to rewrite it. Because light has a finite speed and the universe has a finite age, there is a limit to what we can see. We call this the observable universe. It is a bubble. The edge of this bubble is roughly 46 billion light years away. Anything outside this line has not had enough time since the Big Bang for its light to reach us. We know there is more universe out there, possibly infinite universe, but we are trapped in the center of our own little sphere of visibility. We are a sailor in the middle of a foggy ocean, unable to see the shore, but the prison is shrinking. Or rather, the walls are moving away faster than we can catch them. A dark energy is stretching space itself. While matter cannot move faster than light through space, space can expand faster than light. Right now, galaxies are being pushed away from us at breakneck speeds. The farther away they are, the faster they recede. Eventually, they cross a threshold where the space between us is expanding faster than light can travel. This creates a cosmic event horizon. Once a galaxy crosses this line, it is gone. Its light will try to reach us, but the space will keep stretching like a runner on a treadmill that is going too fast. The signal will never arrive. The galaxy is effectively deleted from our reality. It is still there, but it is causally disconnected from us forever. This is happening right now. Every second you watch this video, thousands of stars are crossing that horizon. They are slipping into the shadow. 94% of the galaxies we can see in our telescopes are already unreachable. Even if we left today at the speed of light, we could never catch them. The universe is teasing us. It shows us a vast playground but locks 94% of the gates. Project this forward billions of years. Eventually, all other galaxies will have disappeared over the horizon. The night sky will be empty, save for our own local cluster. Future civilizations born in that era will look up and see nothing. They will think the Milky Way is the entire universe. They will have no evidence of the Big Bang, no evidence of expansion. They will build their physics on a lie, because the truth has receded into the dark. We are living in a privileged time. We are the only ones who will ever know how big the cage really is. Is there no escape? Mathematically, there might be one loophole. If we cannot move through space faster than light, perhaps we can move space itself. This is the Van Alcubierre drive. The theory suggests that we could build a ring around a ship that compresses space in front of it and expands space behind it. The ship wouldn't actually move. It would sit inside a quiet bubble. The universe would flow around it like water around a stone. We wouldn't be breaking the speed limit. We would be shortening the road, or we could try a shortcut. General relativity allows for the existence of Einstein-Rosen bridges, wormholes. Imagine the universe is a sheet of paper. To get from one side to the other takes millions of years, but if you possess enough gravity, you can fold the paper. You can punch a hole through the dark. You could step through a gate in Tokyo and emerge instantly in the Andromeda Galaxy. No time dilation, no ghosts, just a door. It sounds perfect. But the universe is a strict accountant. There is a cost. To build a warp drive or keep a wormhole open, you need something that might not exist. Negative energy or exotic matter. Gravity attracts. Mass pulls things together. To open a wormhole, you need a form of gravity that pushes. You need a material that weighs less than nothing. We have never found this material. It may be pure fantasy. The math allows it, but reality seems to forbid it. So we are likely stuck with the speed limit. What does this mean for our future? It means the galactic empire is a lie. You cannot rule a galaxy. You cannot have a unified human civilization across the stars. Imagine a colony 1,000 light years away. If they rebel, the emperor won't know for 1,000 years. If he sends a fleet, it arrives 1,000 years later. By the time the fleet arrives, the rebellion is ancient history. The empire has fallen. The speed of light ensures that every star system will be an island. Isolated, independent, alone. But there is one beautiful consequence of this prison. Preservation. Because light takes time to travel, nothing is ever truly lost. The image of the dinosaurs is not gone. It is simply traveling 65 million light years away. The light from the fire of the Library of Alexandria is still out there. If we could teleport far enough away and look back with a powerful enough telescope, we could watch history happen again. The past is not destroyed, it is just radiating outwards. The universe keeps a backup of everything. We curse the speed limit. We hate the delay. But perhaps it is there for a reason. If light traveled instantly, there would be no here and no there. Information would flood every point in the cosmos simultaneously. The night sky would not be dark. It would be a blinding sheet of white fire, burning us with the energy of infinite stars. More importantly, cause and effect would crumble. The speed of light acts as a cosmic firewall. It separates events. It prevents everything from happening all at once. It gives the universe a narrative, a beginning, a middle, and an end. We look at the bars of our cell and we see a prison, but maybe we should see a framing. A painting without a frame is just a spill. A song without a rhythm is just noise. Our lives have meaning because they are local. Because they are limited. We are trapped in a bubble of time, yes, but that bubble is our home. It is the only place where the laws of physics allow a story to be told. The bars are iron, but the view is infinite. Do not look away.